Okay guys, if you got one of these models with a coil pack and the initial cables like this, and it's misfiring like when it's raining or when it's like moisture, foggy day and stuff, I'll show you how to check for that. Okay, with a soapy water spray, right? You're gonna spray the coil and the cable. And do it when the car is hot. Okay, with the car hot, spray water with soapy water. If the car starts misfiring when you're spraying the water, that means you're gonna need a tune-up. And that will be the coil pack, cable, and the plug. And that will take care of the misfiring when like on a foggy day or on a rainy day, okay? Usually the car gonna start stuttering, like shaking, and at times it will stall out, okay? So, easy to do it yourself. Okay. That's that. This one is fine. Okay, so this ignition system is not leaking, it's fine. Okay? Guys, some puppies will like to do this.